Hi guys, today I have a package from Mountain Rose Herbs. I'm going to do an unboxing. They package a zero waste as they can. So I got this tea filter because one of ours has plastic in it and I'm trying to get away from the plastic touching the water. I got Darjeeling tea. I got English breakfast tea. And then I just got a bunch of different ones to try. I got some Nepalese black tea. And then I got vanilla black tea and Assam tea. All loose leaf. And then since I always go places, I had a to-go tea container a while ago and it broke. So I got their to-go tea tumbler.
Hey, Popper! Popper! Yeah.
Looks like this. So you can put whatever you want in here. Close it up. But this side opens for you to drink out of. So this time I tried all their caffeinated versions that sounded really good to me. The next box I will buy will probably be a lot of herbal teas. I like to do caffeinated tea in the morning and herbal teas in the evening. I drink a lot of tea.